In this video, we will be discussing the Buzz Centris 20-inch folding fat tire electric bicycle. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this electric bike in the description below for the best price. The Buzz Centris stands out as a versatile and practical e-bike designed for adult riders who want both convenience and performance. One of its strongest features is the powerful 500-watt rear hub motor paired with a 48-volt battery, which easily propels the bike up to 20 miles per hour. Whether you prefer pedaling or relying on the electric assist, the bike accommodates both with 5 levels of power assistance, making your ride smooth and effortless, even on inclines. Comfort has clearly been a priority with this model. The 20-inch fat tires help smooth out rough terrain, while the front suspension fork absorbs shocks to keep the ride stable and controlled. The step-through aluminum frame not only makes mounting and dismounting easy but also keeps the bike lightweight for folding and carrying. Speaking of folding, the bike's simple foldable design allows it to fit in apartments, car trunks, or other tight storage spaces without hassle, making it an ideal urban commuter solution. Practicality extends beyond comfort and mobility. The Buzz Centris comes with front and rear racks, allowing riders to carry groceries, backpacks, or other cargo conveniently. Its LED headlight enhances visibility in low-light conditions, and the included components, charger, lights, racks, and LCD display, ensure that you have everything you need right out of the box. The display provides real-time information like speed, battery level, and distance traveled, keeping riders informed at all times. The bike's 6-speed drivetrain with twist shifter is intuitive and makes tackling hills or cruising on flat roads effortless. Braking is also reliable, thanks to front and rear disc brakes that offer precise stopping power. While the battery requires periodic charging for extended rides, and the folding mechanism may take some practice initially, these are minor considerations compared to the overall convenience and performance. The Buzz Centris also comes with a 10-year limited warranty on the aluminum frame and a 2-year limited warranty on electronics, providing extra peace of mind. Overall, the Buzz Centris 20-inch folding fat tire electric bicycle combines power, comfort, and practicality in a compact package. It's well suited for commuters, recreational riders, or anyone looking to explore their city with speed and style. Its combination of fat tires, strong motor, and folding convenience makes it a versatile option that delivers on both performance and daily usability.